And Bowman Chrome, you guys will have to select. It's usually top, middle, or bottom on this, so good luck here in the Bowman Chromes. Top 4, middle 4, or bottom 4? Dio's voting top. All right, we're going top. Good luck here in Bowman Chrome, guys. Again, sorry for the late starts. I'm having huge issues with my distribution. Placed a big order yesterday, and I gotta work on getting it same day shipped and delivered. Leotti. Let's try to go back down there. Torrey Hunter. Autograph base. Felix Jorge for the Minnesota Twins. Felix Jorge. Yasniel Diaz. Walker Buehler. Purple Refractor. Mookie Betts. Out of 250. Going out to the Boston Red Sox. That's really weird. I lost connection to the chat, but I'm still streaming just fine. Can you look in the chat?
I've lost connection to the chat.
Oh, so the whole chat went down. Got it. Torrey Hunter Jr. for the Los Angeles Angels. This is a purple shimmer. These are not numbered. Chat, go bye-bye. So is mine. Fall Festival, Anthony Alford. Ronald Acuna. Refractor, Leotti Taveras. If that was auto, that would be nice. Out of 499. Anthony K. on card, base auto for the New York Mets. Oh, Cody Bellinger, rookie at the back there. Paul DeJong. Green. Jason Rosario for the Padres. I'm not familiar with him. 47/99 green. Jason Rosario. That chat might be back up. Nick Gordon, Fall Festival. Chance Adams. Refractor, Steven Piscotty out of 499, St. Louis. Refractor auto Adrian. Adrian Moore-John. Adrian Moore-John refracting auto. Out of $4.99. If you can't have enough John, have some more John. Joe Jimenez. Blue 70th, Jacob Faria, Tampa Bay Rays. Carson Kelly. Luis Castillo. Refractor, DJ Peters, Dodgers out of 499. Base auto for the Mets, Tomas Nido. I know he's good. For the Mets, it's base, though. Want a color of him. Bo Bichette. Purple Shimmer again. Leote. These are not numbered, though. Oh, I meant I'm in Cali, not Denver. Ah, gotcha. Brian Anderson. We know you're in Cali. Paul DeJong. Purple. Macau Franco out of 250 for the Philadelphia Phillies. Judge. Aaron Judge. All Judge and Bellingers are sleeved and cased. Base auto again. Alberto Tirado, Phillies. Saving all of the color. Mike Soroka. Green Shimmer, Steven Duggar out of 99 for the Giants. Not too familiar with that guy, but DJ Stewart. Steven Gonzalez. Refractor Reggie Lawson out of $4.99 for the Padres. Refracting auto for the Brewers, Lewis Brinson. Out of $4.99. Purple refractor is Andy Yurtsy out of 250 Diamondbacks. Eloy Jimenez. Sapuki. Refractor, Gregory Polanco out of 499 for the Pirates. All right, last box color. We do it this way, we'll save the autos. The others are always on top for some reason. Danny Duffy, blue, Kansas City out of 150. What about a dick? Fernando Romero. Dylan Tate, Benintendi. Purple Shimmer Shine, Derek Fisher. Not numbered Houston guy. What we got? We got Adrian Rondon. Old Adrian Rondon. Okay. Base auto. Jazz Chisholm. Jazz Chisholm for the Diamondbacks. Base auto. Out of 499, Sixto Sanchez refractor for the Phillies. That's a good dude. Sixto Dirty Sanchez. Leote. Ron Isle Rods. Rods. Tyler O'Neill. Blue refractor, that same guy, Jason Rosario out of 150. Carson Kelly. Fractor auto, John Heater from Napoleon out of 499 for the Brewers. Rookie auto, John Heater. We saved all the color. We got two refractor autos. Three. We got more John Heater, and Brinson. We're saving up all the color. Pictures out of it. Color it's nuts. Next is certified cuts, I believe.